Carlisle Hotel and its private residences define luxury living at its finest. Elegance, security, and discretion. It's why presidents, dignitaries, celebrities, and titans of industry have all been calling it home since the 1930s. I'm Christopher Franklin with Brown Hair Stevens. Welcome to Suite 1418 at the Carlisle. Carlisle, home to the world-famous Cafe Carlisle, offers its residences unparalleled services. Twice daily housekeeping, room service, fitness center, salon, and a world-class concierge. You want tickets to the hottest show in town? Need a car and driver to take you and have your dog walked? No problem. Independent luxury living is redefined here with every conceivable service, only a phone call or elevator ride to the lobby away. Suite 1418 at the Carlisle is completely renovated. The only thing it's missing is you. Please contact myself or Brian J. Manning. Come take a look, stay for a lifetime.